So finally, I tried the Cosrx, the 6 peptide skin booster serum. This was all over my feed, and I'm little late to review this product. I bought it a few months ago and didn't get the chance to use this product, but for the last 1.5 months, I have been using it consistently in my morning and nighttime skincare routine. So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Shalu, and I make videos on skincare that help you choose the right skincare for your skin type. And in this video, I will be sharing my honest thoughts, results, and ingredients inside this serum, and I will let you know whether this product is worth investing. Now, let's talk about the packaging of the product. Now, this product comes in a plastic pump bottle with 150 ml of product inside it. This is the pump from where you can dispense the product out. Yes, you are getting 150 ml of product. That's quite a lot in terms of serum. And this product retails for about 2050 rupees on Nykaa. And you only need 2 to 3 pumps to cover your entire face and neck. And here it is written on the bottle that this serum evens out your skin tone and it helps in hydration, it helps keep your skin firm and smooth, and it helps in pore and sebum care, and it also improves your skin texture. Texture is super watery or thin and it feels more like a toner or essence rather than a serum. But it has a body to it. At first, when you apply this serum, it feels like water, but as soon as it gets absorbed into your skin, you definitely feel a slight hint of hydration or moisture from this product. At first, I was skeptical whether this serum was doing anything for my skin or not, but after using it for 1 month, I can definitely say that there is something in this product that I am hooked on to this product. So I'm using it daily in my skincare routine, morning and night. According to brand, this is a skin booster serum or the first step booster. What that means is you should apply this booster serum as a first step in your skincare routine right after cleansing onto a pad dry skin. Now, this step will enhance or boost the penetration of other products in your skincare routine, or you can say that this will enhance the effectiveness of other products which you are using in your skincare routine. Now, why should we apply this serum as a first step? Because this is the thinnest serum, and the thinnest serums always goes first, and then your thicker serums and oils and moisturizers after that. Before moving on to my experience with this serum, let's first talk about what's inside it. We will talk about all the beneficial key ingredients in this serum. So, first of all, there are 6 different types of peptides in this serum, and all these peptides and their functions are written at the back of the bottle. So you know how everyone was obsessed with niacinamide a year ago, but now it's peptides because peptides are everywhere in skincare industry right now. You can find so many different kinds of peptide serums in the market, and it's become very difficult to choose one out of them. Like the ordinary has so many different kinds of peptide serums, and some of them are very good. But today we are discussing about the peptides present in this particular serum from the Cosrx. So, what are peptides? Peptides are short chains of amino acids or the building blocks of proteins like collagen and elastin in your skin. Now, peptides they also act as messengers and send signal to your skin to help repair itself, boost collagen, and to stay firm and healthy. Now, people love peptide because they are anti-aging and they are less harsh as compared to other actives like retinol and acids. Now, peptides they work slow and steadily, but they are gentle enough for sensitive skin also. But not all peptides are same. There are so many different kinds of peptides that are being used by skincare industry in their products, and each peptide has its own unique benefit or function. But today we will be discussing about all the peptides present in the Cosrx 6 peptide booster serum. So the first peptide in this serum is SH polypeptide 121 that helps plump and smooth the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Another peptide is copper tripeptide 1, also known as GHK-Cu. This is my favorite peptide, and this peptide helps to firm the skin and reduce the visible signs of aging. Now, the next peptide has a very big name. It's dipeptide diaminobutyryl benzylamide diacetate, and its short form is also known as SYN-AIC. This particular peptide acts like arginine, meaning it targets wrinkles caused by facial movements like your crow's feet, your laughter lines, and your 11s. Oligopeptide 68 helps in brightening the skin. Then it also has palmitoyl tripeptide 8 that helps reduce redness, swelling, and discomfort caused by UV radiations or stress. And the last peptide is acetyl hexapeptide 8, also known as argireline or Botox in a bottle, that helps to smooth the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Now, this serum also has NAG, also called N-acetylglucosamine, and it's written acetylglucosamine in the ingredient list, so don't get confused. So, this particular ingredient it helps with brightening, skin barrier repair, and it also helps with gentle exfoliation of the skin. Now, the next major ingredient in this serum is niacinamide. As you all know, niacinamide can be found in so many skincare products these days. The percentage of niacinamide is not disclosed by the brand in this particular serum, but it must be around 1.5 to 2% according to its position in the ingredient list. Now, niacinamide is a skincare superstar. It helps with brightening of the skin, it helps with skin texture, it's anti aging, it helps with skin barrier repair. Plus, it's also beneficial in treating acne, rosacea, and dermatitis. It also has hyaluronic acid. That's a great humectant. That means it holds water to your skin and make your skin look plump and hydrated. It has allantoin, that's a skin soothing ingredient. It also has adenosine that helps with wound healing and barrier repair, and that's also an anti inflammatory agent. It has betaine and tocopherol, and both of them are great moisturizing agents, or you can call them as humectants. It also has natural moisturizing factors or NMF. So, what are NMF? NMF occurs naturally in the uppermost layer of your skin and it keeps your skin looking healthy, plump, and smooth. So, topical NMF, these are the expensive group of amino acids, and there are so many amino acids in this serum. Like it has serine, alanine, glycine, lysine, arginine, threonine, and so many more amino acids. But sodium PC is also a part of NMF. Now, NMF it also contains different peptides, sugars, minerals, and all these ingredients in NMF they keep your skin looking hydrated and plump. As you can see that this formula is packed with so many beneficial ingredients, like it has six different kinds of peptides. It has NMF, N-acetyl glucosamine. It also has hyaluronic acid, niacinamides, and many more other beneficial ingredients. We cannot find any harsh ingredient in this particular serum. But considering the large size of the bottle, we can assume that all these ingredients they must be present in very low concentrations as compared to the other regular serums that we get in 30 or 50 ml bottles. But as you know that peptides can even work at very low concentrations, so you can consider this serum if you want to amplify your skincare game. This serum also contains soybean oil towards the bottom of the ingredient list, and it definitely provides moisturizing property to this serum because it's present in very low concentration. So even oily and acne prone skin can easily use or incorporate this serum in their routines. Plus, this serum is safe to use by all skin types, even sensitive, oily, and acne prone skin. So, overall, this formula is packed with so many beneficial ingredients but in low concentration. Now, what not to pair with this particular peptide serum? Now, peptides they are generally safe to use with a lot of active ingredients, but there are some ingredients that you shouldn't mix with this particular peptide serum. So, don't mix alpha or beta hydroxy acids like glycolic acid, salicylic acid, and also polyhydroxy acids. And also, don't use vitamin C or L-ascorbic acid with this particular serum or with all the other peptide serum because these strong acids they can destabilize peptides and reduce the effectiveness of this serum. Rest, you can pair it with most other actives in your skincare routine safely. I have been using this serum for over a month now, and at first it literally felt like super thin, water like, and I was like, is it doing anything for my skin? But after a few weeks of using it, I definitely noticed that my skin looked more hydrated, more balanced, and my texture looked more smoother. Now, this is not the serum that will give you instant results in terms of anti aging, and for that, you have to use specific peptide serums like Matrixyl 3000 serum or Argireline serum from The Ordinary or any other brand. But this serum also contains a lot of good ingredients like peptides and niacinamide in it. So you can layer this serum with your existing peptide serums in your skincare routine to level up or boost the performance of your anti aging game. This serum definitely provides hydration even when you apply a single layer of this on your face. And sometimes at night time, I do apply 2 to 3 layer of this serum and it works wonderfully like a hydrating sleeping mask. So far, I am enjoying this serum and I'm using this serum in place of my toners. So, toners they are usually specific, either they are hydrating or they are exfoliating. But this particular serum has a lot of different ingredients like peptides, niacinamide. It also has a lot of humectants or hydrating ingredients in it. So, this is working like 2 to 3 different types of toner in one. So I am ditching my toner these days and I will continue to repurchase this serum in future. Lastly, is this serum worth your money? If you want additional peptides along with the peptides you are already using in your skincare routine, then this serum might do good things for your skin. But if you are thinking of using this serum alone and you are expecting a lot out of it, that this won't be your wow serum. So this was my take on the Cosrx, the 6 peptide skin booster serum. Now this serum is not a miracle product, but it's definitely a supportive player in my skincare routine. Now, I would recommend this product to beginners or who are new to actives or who also have a sensitive skin. And I would definitely recommend this to people who already is having strong anti-aging skincare routine where they are using retinols and peptides and other anti-aging serums. They can introduce this serum as a first step in their routine. This will definitely amplify their skincare game. I will leave a link in the description in case you want to check that out. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on future skincare reviews like this one. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care of your skin. Bye bye.